In a move to promote a cleaner environment, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, led by its Chief Executive Member, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, contributed garbage collection trucks to Shillong's Rynjah' locality as part of implementing the KJDC's Solid Waste Management Act 2020. The handover ceremony, attended by the Syiem of Himamalim Aina Manik Syiem, members of the Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong Nong Thamai Pulun, and local residents, took place with the vehicles provided through the Chief Minister's Development Fund. On the same occasion, the Dorbashnong Rynjah expressed gratitude to Asha and Anganwadi helpers for their dedicated door-to-door services. Addressing the audience, the Chief Executive Member of the KHADC, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, highlighted how the Solid Waste Management Act 2020 empowers the District Council to address sanitation needs in its jurisdiction.
Tối nay dính khắp đi cái jam.
Target lene ban bu ya kathong ba kini ki jakayo ki jakapat ba kishnong ngin yo ban yarap ling ba kini ki scheme of hair. What ni ka this council ni don ya kini ka 15 finance commission grant nakatai grant ni ai ya kum kini ki project. Let's say ki wipat kishnong hang ni ko nong Thamai Pulun ki badang don kam ni kentu ni kerpat bakin ai ki application ki jong pi ya ka bangin sale ya ka badon kam bat na kalyang jungi sesien ngasoban penken maru ban na kalyang jungi kum ka district council ngim shim laklet ya ka do bashnong Rynjah dang shen ni layo ban ai ka work order ban penhe dan ban snabha ya ka yim dorbar ka bashhola bat ni suthu ka juk munta perthai munta ka barem dor tengim la ban pendap tang di tai sekolah bat nak kalian jungi ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ngin aisa kumba arpulak nam taban pendap ya kami giyong damba ngashwa ban ya thuru ban lor ki kam ki babun ki bangiwan ra hang tai pot District Council ki mat ki bakongsan ban thau an ban yada yang ai pi ya kishnong ki thau ilawan ra ru ya kawai ka agenda kamat ka bill ka badan kam ha ka bangi khot da ilaka administration of ilaka amendment second amendment bill kabagidang should pass mentadang arbanai but kni lenti basyen ulat gajela unsayo ban aji menjori kani ka bill ka kren syapang ka jing ai board jong ka district council ye ki sengkin thai ki seng long kumi but ki seng samla ban yadon benta pura ha ka don bashnong kani kan long ka jing rap ka bakrau ba ki sengkin thai ki seng long kumi ki seng samla kin long ki paya ki baskem nam ta ban ai ka kti ka mon jong ki ban ai ka kti ka dem jong ki nam ta ban pun klan shu ye ka jing prekam jong ka don bashnong